I've been looking more at supercars at this stage in my life than I did as a kid. As a kid, I was more of a import sports car guy. Never anything with more than 8 cylinders. Rarely ever. It used to be, you know, nothing more than 6 cylinders until I found the M3 GT-R. But I was never really a muscle car kid. I was always most of the time, I didn't hate muscle cars. I was most of the time a Nissans, Mitsubishis, Subarus, Mazdas, you name it. And then eventually BMWs, Audis, for a little while Porsches. I still kind of like Porsches. I gotta give Porsche a little bit of slack. You can't blame the car for the way that people drive it. Otherwise, you know, then there's all the jokes that people make about Mustangs, and that's not fair to the Mustang either. So Porsches are okay. They're nicely engineered cars. But I'm still going to take a BMW over it. And plus, it's more affordable anyways. But lately, you know, back in high school, I saw the McLaren P1 and I thought, oh, that's cool. And that was what is it called? It's like a drug term, like the entry-level drug, where once you have that, it's like a gate opener. Like once you have that, then you're more likely to indulge in other drugs. So like I was introduced to the McLaren P1, and then I started falling in love with other supercars too, slowly over time. So recently I've started to think, hey, the Ferrari 360 is pretty cool. The 430 is also all right. That new Ferrari they're coming out, which I've forgotten the name of, looks freaking awesome. Can't remember what it's called. I just realized my GPS isn't here because it fell off the window and I never put it back. And now I'll admit I've been watching a lot of Daily Driven Exotics and DDE, and there's supercars all over the place in their videos. I watched their video series where they went to Tokyo, which looked like so much fun. You know, I've started to really like the Huracan and like what people can do with it. I don't know. It's a shame that the Huracans don't have the Lamborghini scissor doors, but it's all right. It's all good. I don't really want to go too far from here. Whee! Ugh, I'm right next to some roadkill. I won't show you guys that. See, I've been looking at supercars and things. Most of you guys now apparently know me for the BMW videos. I would have thought most of you guys will be following me for the Skyline stuff, but then the BMW video blew up, so it's like, okay. A lot of wind noise. Drives me nuts. But, so here's the thing. Like, what do you guys think I should do? Because I cannot, for the life of me, make a decision or a plan about this. But so here's the thing. I want to modify this car a little bit. You know, I want to tune it just a little bit with an airbox intake, a wing, a wrap, and maybe some lights, and that's it. And just keep this as a daily. And then after that, I want to get the E46 M3. But then this is the part that I need you guys to help me figure out. And this also kind of depends on how much money I'm making over time. But should I then just save money and build the M3? Or should I save money for an R34 and get that sooner and store it so that I can buy one before they start to get too expensive? Or should I not buy an R34, build the M3, and then buy an R34 when I can, when it will likely be more expensive because it will be closer to 2024? Because what I'm thinking is, what I could do is get the M3, work for a little bit, maybe do an engine swap, but then for the most part, save for an R34, get one, and then just store it. Because I'm wanting to get an M-Spec Nur, and I need to get one of those before they become $200,000 or something stupid. I need to turn that off, because I can't turn left here. Fuck that shit. That would be bad. Look at that. That was a good looking Evo. Holy crap. That was a good color. I gotta catch up with that. Is he still up here? Oh, there he is. There he goes. I'm just chasing this guy down. I think I made eye contact with him, which might have been a little awkward. But it looked, that's one of the nicest cars I've seen here. And there's Ferraris and Maseratis and Audi R8s here, but that's probably my favorite car here so far. I really like the Evo. Let's see if we can find him. Is he car shopping? He better not be selling that Evo, because there's a bunch of car dealers down here. Where is he? Where'd that Evo go? Oh man, I don't see him there. Maybe he went straight. Didn't look like he was going all that slow either. I think I see what is that? Oh, that's just a Ford Taurus or something. Come on, Evo. Someone turned pretty hard over there. There were some interesting skid marks. Crap. Oh man. I missed it. I don't know where he is. I don't know which way he could have gone now. And I can't ask people, hey, have you seen like a purple Evo around here? I wish I could. Not everyone would know what I'm talking about. Car with a big wing, it's purple. Look really freaking awesome. Oh, come on. Come on.